How to pay money in Prime Video. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can pay money in Amazon Prime Video. Now, Amazon Prime Video does not typically require you to pay money directly within the streaming service itself. Now, instead, you have to pay for an Amazon Prime subscription, which include access to your Prime Video along with other benefits like free shipping, Amazon Music, and many more. So here's how you can do in order to subscribe to Amazon Prime, which can give you an access to Prime Video. First of all, you need to open up a Prime Video account. Now, first of all, you need to go to the website and sign in into your account. You can also use the application whichever is convenient for you. After that, go to your profile icon located right at the bottom, and this is going to direct you to the profile page. Over here, you'll be able to see multiple options. So what you'll need to do is, in order to get a subscription, you'll need to go to your membership and subscription. So over here, if you have any subscription, you'll be able to see it right over here. And to add your subscription, you need to go to your payments. So over here, you need to go ahead and tap on add payment method first of all. After that, you'll need to provide in your card or credit card details. Once you've done that, you can either scan the card or you can just type in the name of the card or the card details and click on the add card button. After that, you need to go to settings and then you need to get a premium or you need to get a subscription of these following options. And once you've completed sign up process, your payment method is verified, you'll have an access to Amazon Prime, which include Prime Video and all that. So that is basically how you can pay money in Prime Video. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.